Alright, time to get started. Almost 8 o'clock. Still looking for a stock right now. Don't see anything. But it's really early, that's why. And got an hour and a half to go. Actually, pre-market doesn't really start until a few more minutes anyway. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the code 3. I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. And these should be good to take. These first ones and everything should be good to take. And for the YM, CL has already gone long. Okay, there it is for CL. And we're going to trade something other than, okay, here's something coming up here. We're not going to trade this right now. Let's trade the Euro US dollar. Okay. Okay, ES and YM have both broken short. Okay, there it is for the Euro US dollar as well. Okay, so ES and YM are short signals off code 3. And CL is a long signal. I would watch out for it to be offset or to doing it the key again. I think it probably is. I think it's probably going to do it all week long. But we'll see. Got something on the move. TNXP. Tonic Pharmaceuticals. We'll watch it and see if oh, it's nothing. Can I even short it? Nope, can't even short it. Never mind. Okay, ES and YM doing well, coming down here. Alright, Euro US dollar goes long at 11,356. 356 Euro US dollar goes long. AMRX. It's shortable. AMRX is shortable. Let's see what it does. It's got some news out. Anio receives abbreviated new drug application approval. Oh, I just love these drug companies, man. They're like the best thing in the world to trade. 3. Okay, no break yet on Euro US dollar. No signal. Yeah, well, we'll see what comes up. Whatever looks the best on the stocks. Right now, I'm not seeing a whole lot. It's not really. It's just starting for the pre-market. HSI do okay. It's really good at the beginning. YM and ES look to be moving pretty good again today. And Euro US dollar, just like before. The Euro US dollar moves early, like now, and so does the YM and ES. They move early. And so they're good right at the beginning. Or they have been, let's put it that way. Like I said, I think CL is going to do the same thing as before, the same pattern. It's breaking on the key and then going back the other way. You can actually use that to our advantage now. I'll point it out to you the next one that happens. Let's make sure that this thing is going to go down and break so that we know it's doing the same thing, and then I'll point it out to you. Actually, we just always use the scalping trading signal regardless of these lines, which represents the easy trading signal. Yep, it's doing it. Okay, I wouldn't take an entry here, although it is likely to continue to go down. But it's doing the same pattern. I haven't really devised a way to beat that, except for my conclusion was before that that was scalping. I mean, chop mode. So basically, it really shouldn't go anywhere since it's already doing it. And it's doing the same thing. It shouldn't go anywhere. It should just chop up and down. That's really good that we have that now that we can use for a way to know if it's going to be choppy on CL or just in general. These aren't doing it. These three, ES, YM, and Euro US dollar, are not doing it. At least not so far, indicating that they're going to probably move today. Whereas this one, the CL, watch out for it to be choppy here. But we'll see if it starts to move and we can use the next easy trading signal on it. No. That one is... Alright, looking good here. Okay, we'll be getting another easy entry here pretty soon. So before you take any more trades on CL, let me direct you through it. This, what it's doing right here, is the same thing it keeps doing. It's programmed like this right now. And it's going to keep doing it. Next time it does it, I will show it to you, tell it to you. It's working off the scalp trading signal. And so therefore, I will tell you when it comes and when that's going to go short or long. If it breaks and it goes long, we're okay. But if it breaks and it goes back short, which it did here, it's just going to go down. It's going to go the other way, and it keeps doing that. And it's the chances of it doing today and tomorrow are extreme. Well, it's already done it today, but for the rest of the day, basically, and tomorrow is extremely high. So don't take these trades on CL. Wait for this to happen first, then take the trade. And I'll point it out to you. These other three are fine. Euro, YM, and ES are all good. Working on easy trading signal now. Okay. There it is for the ES. There it is for the YM. There it is for CL. And there it is for the Euro US dollar. Again, for those of you that may have just come into the room, don't try trading the CL lines here, because it's breaking at the key and then going the complete opposite direction. So we can use that to our advantage. Next time it happens, I'll tell you which way it's going to go. So don't take the break on CL. Or I can tell you if it looks like it's okay to take it. The ES and YM appear to be moving better today than anything else again. Stand by for scalping trade signals here. These signals are working today. Short signal YM, short signal ES. They're probably going to go break, both of them. There they go. Short signals off of easy trading signal. Both ES and YM. Okay, long signal on Euro US dollar. Both scalping and easy trading signal. Short signal on CL. Short signal on CL, and CL will also go short at 58.74 off of the easy trading signal. I'm not sure which stock you're talking about. It could be AMRX, TNXP. I'm not sure which one it was. Just looking at my scanner here. Okay, Euro US dollar moving up pretty good here. Okay, we actually have a offset entry to go long on CL. I wouldn't pay any attention to it until it triggers an easy trading signal entry. Yeah, okay, AMRX, yeah. It's up 35%, $1.23, $4.71 stock, at 2.4 million volume right now. It's okay. It's still early though. Still early to see what it does. What is the stop for YM scalp trade? It's about to go offset here. Okay, if YM were to hit 890, it would actually be an offset entry to go long. If it were to hit 890, Euro US dollar spiking up. See, the euro can be good right at the beginning. It's very good. These are good too though. The ES and YM are also good. It's oil that just sits there and doesn't do much and goes. It's already shown itself that it's going to come out with a choppy code today. A choppy trading today. Okay, I'm watching the ES and YM for possible offset entries. Otherwise, if they don't go offset, there's still short signals. Short signals off the easy trading signal and off of the scalping trading signal. So there's short signals on both. They are, however, at risk of doing exactly what oil did here. It's doing the same exact thing. If it were to go offset and go long, then it would be doing what oil's going to do, go the other way. Okay, if YM hits 890, it's an offset entry to go long. And for ES, it would be 4150. If it hit 4150, it's an offset entry to go long. I think it's going to do it. There it is. 890 on YM is an offset entry to go long. ES will be at 4150. There it is. So they're both long signals off of the scalping trading signal. Now, if the pattern holds, it's going to do exactly what oil did and go back the other way and go below the easy trading signal. So what would happen is it would go all the way up and break above the easy trading signal here, up top. Technically making the trade no good, but that's the whole point of this whole system, is being able to see what it's doing so that you can take appropriate action and go the right direction. It's telling us which way it's going to go. Euro US dollar doing really super good here. It's over 100 ticks right there. Okay, I'm going to see if I can devise a plan to circumvent this system that they've got running right now. What would be the best way of going about doing this? I'm really not sure. The best way to do it is just to follow the scalping trading signal today, and or not take the break if it's doing so at the scalping trading signal. Don't take it. Let it go by first. See what happens. Then you can take it, depending upon what it does. So wait for the signal. Yes, right at that point, yeah. See, it did it here. It did it right here on CL, and then it's doing it right here and here on these two, on ES and YM. Now, it may not go all the way. That's what we need to find out. It may come back down again and then keep going lower, making the signal good. But if it doesn't and it goes the other way, then it's just like CL today. We'll need to compensate for it, except for I still haven't figured out a way really to compensate for it. I mean, there's multiple different ways, but nothing that really seems, like the best way, really. Except for just to not pay attention to the easy trading signal so much and pay attention to the scalping trading signal instead. Because that's what's working today. Alright, we've got a signal coming up here. Short signal on ES, short signal on YM, short signal on CL, short signal on Euro US dollar. This is a scalping trading signal here. Okay, I will be back in a few minutes here to do the next easy trading signal. Okay, easy entry signal coming up here. Okay, there it is for the ES, working on the YM. There it is for the YM, working on CL. Okay, there it is for CL, and working on Euro US dollar. Okay, there they are, big range there. Okay, CL will go long. Wait a second, let me take a look. Yeah, you don't want to take this one on CL. Let's see what the scalping trading signal is going to say. Okay, signal going to be coming up here. See what I mean by CL? Okay, we've got a signal coming up here, and it is moving off of this signal. It is moving off of this signal today, this scalping trading signal. You're looking for a signal. Looking for a signal. Short signal Euro US dollar. Short signal CL. Okay, wait a second. It's not really... Okay, it should be good. Short signal CL. It should be good, I think. And it's going to go down to breaks 5880. Triggers a easy entry signal. 5880. It's already got a scalping signal short. Main one. Okay, right now it's dangerous on the CL either way. It's really super choppy. It's in chop mode. Personally, I would not trade CL today. I would just count this one off as being no good. It's too choppy. Short signal on Euro US dollar. Long signal ES, long signal YM. Okay, looking for YM to hit 899 for an easy trading signal long entry, and for the ES to hit 42.75. 42.75 for a easy trading long signal. Yeah, I would count CL out today. It's not good. It's not good. We'll find something else to trade here. You say gold's good? Let's check it out. What is gold? GC? Nah, let's forget about that one. We'll find something else. When the market opens up here, I'll find something. But CL is no good today. YM is a long signal. ES, also a long signal off scalping, should go long here, 42.75. YM has already gone long. Gotta wait for both of them to break, both the ES and YM, or no trade here. Yes, YM is long. Well, it's it's already long from the scalping trade, and it's long on the easy entry, but you need to wait for this one to break, the ES. That's part of the rule. And it just broke, so they're both long now, which signals go ahead and take the trade. But if only one of them had gone long and not the other one, you don't want to take it. You want to take it when only both of them have given the signal. And even though it looks like CL might do something, it is technically in chop mode, real bad too. So I would not bother anymore with CL. Unless it really does something, we can take an opposing trade to it. But other than that, would not bother with it at all. Alright, we'll start tracking gold here. Let me go ahead and do it. Let's trade what's hot. If gold is hot, then let's trade it. Showing February contract on gold. Alright, let's calculate the lines here. Okay. Alright, there it is for gold. Gold is broken long right there. Long signal on gold. Oh, okay, sorry about that. I just messed that up. That was not a long signal. I need to remove that line. Okay, I can call code 1 signals on gold here. Short signal on gold. Long signal on YM. Okay, YM may be an offset entry to go short. Not yet. Long signal on Euro US dollar. Short signal on gold. Long signal on YM. And no signal yet on ES. Okay, long signal ES. Yes, they were already long, but they went long again off of the another scalping trade. And what we got going on now? Okay, it's a short signal now. It's really super choppy. I wouldn't pay any attention right now to the chop. Just play the easy trading signal for right now. It's just choppy. It doesn't want to go anywhere right now, so it's giving back and forth signals, not doing anything. Yeah. Well, yeah. I suppose so. Combination of everything, really. Most important thing is to put it all together, you know. And see what's happening and follow the pattern. Okay, since gold is hot, gold is what we're going to want to be trading here. Going to do another 2 lines here, and it's gone up from 1480 up above 1490. Decent little move. We have another short signal on gold. Scalping signal. Okay, market's going to be opening up here in like 7 minutes, meaning that the YM and ES are going to get real active. I don't know if these lines will hold or not and work or not. They have been lately, but I've also seen it where it doesn't work either, so it's a little bit risky to be holding here going into the open. Okay, I'm going to do gold now. Okay, here we go for gold. Keep in mind it's gone up a lot already, but that doesn't mean anything. Just follow the lines. Okay, there it is for the ES. There it is for YM. And here it is for Euro US dollar. Okay, Euro US dollar goes long at 11,472. 472, there it is. Long signal Euro US dollar. We're now trading gold instead of CL. CL no good, way too choppy. But gold is doing quite well, and it's likely to continue to do quite well today. Whether that be go down or go up, it doesn't really matter. A long signal on Euro US dollar. How's my dollar doing? I'm not getting slaughtered, am I? Oh yes, I am. Okay. I think I've had just about enough of that, all I'm gonna take. Okay, YM. Let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, market's opening up now. This first one's going to be a very important. Okay, it goes short at 876 on the YM. ES is already short. There it is, short signal. Okay, looking for a scalping trade entry here. On the ES and YM. Okay, signal coming. Short signal ES, short signal YM. Short signal Euro US dollar. Short signal gold. Gold will also go short off the easy trading signal when the price hits, what's this thing ticking by? 10. It's ticking by 10, okay. So it'll go short at 87.10 off the easy entry trading signal. Okay, what is the YM doing? What do we got here? Okay, it's getting real radical here. It's already given multiple signals. I think it's going to go down here. Just to let you know, technically we have a long signal on it, but I think it's going to go down. Yeah, I think it's going to go down. And we're going with the easy entry as well. Trading signal. Okay, if gold hits 89.20, it's a long signal. It's a long signal. Yeah, it's a long signal. Offset entry to go long on gold. Short signals on ES and YM. They should continue down here. And we had already gotten a long signal on the Euro US dollar. Gold is let me see here. Gold is an offset entry to go long. ES and YM are shorts, and Euro US dollar is already a long signal. Okay, radical moves here on this one. Hang on, try to get you in. Take a look at this. What is going on? It's definitely an offset entry to go long. GC went short there, by the way. Gold went short. Just want to take a look at what it did. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to catch this thing on a scalping signal. Okay, signal coming up here. If the YM or the E and or the ES were to go short off this signal, this would be a good place to try and catch it to come down short again. It could come all the way down. Okay, looking for a signal here. Short signal YM, short signal ES. It could come all the way back down here. Looking for a signal on gold. Long signal on gold. Yeah, nice, Frank. 100 ticks is always good. Stay focused. You can take a look at gold GC. It's moving very, very smooth, very, very good, and it's moving good. So it's a good trade today. Okay, long signal on Euro US dollar. Okay, gold is about to go offset short at 14. It's already gone. Offset short entry on gold. YM is about to go long at 74. It's already hit. YM is an offset entry to go long. Throwing in some offsets here today. ES is going to go long at 61.50. Gold is a nice trade though, I like it. Okay, another signal coming up here. Short signal on ES, short signal on YM. Short signal on Euro US dollar. YM's going to go offset again. It goes long at 81. Goes long at 81. It'll go long, offset entry to go long on the YM. Otherwise it's still a short. Still a short on YM and ES. Still a short on Euro US dollar. YM will go offset entry long at 81. Gold has gone short again. Okay, long signal YM. ES is going to follow. At 60.25 it goes long. Offset entry. Throwing in a lot of offsets here. Okay, another signal coming. Short signal Euro US dollar. Long signal gold. Okay, watch for gold to be offset here. You may just want to take all offsets from here on out. Okay, long signal ES. Long signal YM. Gold looks like it's going to go short, offset entry. It'll go short at 475 exactly. 75 exactly. It just hit it. Short signal. Short signal on gold offset entry to go short. Euro US dollar was already short. Long signals on OIM and NES. Okay, gold is looking to go offset again. If the price hits 77.20, it's a long signal. Otherwise, it's still a short. ES and YM doing good here. Alright, working on the code, working on the easy trading signal here. Okay, there it is for ES. Really big range there. Wait for both of them to break. ES and YM need to both break. Okay, hang on. Don't do anything yet. I need to, I might have to adjust these lines. Just hang on a second. Okay, ES and YM are okay now. You can take it whichever way it goes. Gold is about to break short. Hasn't broken yet. There it is right there. Okay, there it is right there. Alright. There's your ranges. Okay, gold goes short at 74.90. Gold goes short 74.90. Euro US dollar goes short at 11.205. ES goes long at 63.75, which it's just hit. Long signal on ES, looking for the YM to also go long. It'll go long at 117. Okay, YM is long, ES is long. Both are long. Short on gold. Everything's running. See if we can get some moves here. Gold looks great. Gold is be my pick to trade for today. See how great it's moving? I mean, don't get me wrong, the ES and YM are moving good too. But we got chopped up a bit on the open. You got to watch out for that from now on. When the open happens, best just to get out and then use the next easy trading signal on it, or start using the scalping trading signal to get in. It was a little bit tricky though today. It was choppy and tricky and offset. Let's see if I can see any stocks here. Well, we got CIEN. Sienna Corporation. That's not bad. I don't see anything really good though. Nothing that really we could take a major advantage of, really. Nothing that's better than what we've already got on these instruments. Okay, Euro US dollar is going to go short at 11.205. $11.205 is a short signal on the Euro US dollar. We have a short signal also on Euro US dollar for the scalping. And long signal on ES and YM for the scalping. $11,205. Euro goes short off the easy trading signal. Already short off of the scalping trading signal. Gold is also short off the scalping trading signal. Take your pick on what you want to trade, everything moving. Yeah, we're getting some nice moves here. Some good ticks. Alright, so if Euro US dollar went long, you can see it bouncing back up there. It goes long at 11,341. 341. Gold, you can see gold made an initial move up and then it shot way down. If it were to go long, it looks good for coming back up. ES and YM have both shot way up. With this particular one, it looks good going either way. If it goes long, probably go up more. Comes back down, probably come down, but it'll probably go up more first. Would be my my guess. The YM will go long at 231. ES will go long at 77.75. Okay, Euro US dollar is a long signal. I don't like right where it's doing it at though. I don't like this long signal. It did it before right here. Let me take a look. That's it right there. It did it before and it broke. Don't take this signal. Okay, that one's already gone long, so it should be okay. But we could wait for this signal coming up here. We're going to get a major signal, a scalping trade signal, but one that's working today. One that's a scalping trade signal that's working for more ticks than normal today. So hold off on this break on the Euro US dollar. Let's see what it says on the signal. Okay, gold is indicating a short signal. GC. Okay, Euro US dollar indicating a short signal. Short signal, watch out on Euro US dollar. I think it's going to come all the way down and do the same pattern as before. And if so, it'll come all the way down. Short signal on YM. Short signal on ES. Okay, we have an offset entry to go long on Euro US dollar. Long signal on gold. So we have an offset entry to go long on Euro US dollar. Offset entry to go long on GC gold. And short signal on ES and short signal on YM. Alright, watch out for the Euro US dollar here. It looks like it's going to be offset again. Okay, let me take a look here. Yeah. Okay, Euro US dollar is now, it's a short signal. Offset entry to go short. Okay, I could have did better with that because it's offset by a bit. I know what it's offset by. So it's interesting on the days where they move it off of the scalping code, the scalping signal. On days where they move it off of that is the days where the easy trade, easy entry, easy trading signal will be offset to the scalping code. So the only good thing about that is that you need to know to switch from using the easy entry trading signal over to the scalping signal for that day. And actually it's been doing it all week long. So I would assume that it's going to do it again tomorrow. I really didn't think it was going to do it again today. I thought that they did it a couple of times. It'd be, okay, and then it's going to go away. It's here every day. It's quite interesting. That's going to help us to be a lot more accurate here. Okay, GC gold is going long at 73.70. 73.50 now, 73.70. It goes long off the easy. There it is, long signal on gold, GC, off the easy trading signal. Looks good for a bounce back up here. Gold moving good. Okay, the YM is going to go short at 125. Still a ways away to go here for that to happen. Okay, YM goes short at 125. ES goes short at 65.50. Okay, YM almost there. 126. Okay, YM already has gone short. Looking for ES to hit 65.50. It's got a little ways to go here. $65.50, and both of them will be short. Good for entry. It almost hit. Came one tick away from going short. Got a signal coming up here. This is scalping trading signal. Be useful on the YM and ES. If they go short, then you know that both of them are going to go short here off of the easy trading signal as well, which the YM already has, but the ES hasn't yet. But if it went short off the scalping signal, it would go short. Okay, wait a second. Okay, we already have, let's look for, okay, short signal on the Euro US dollar. Okay, short signal ES, short signal YM. Okay, and then the ES goes short at 65.50. It's already hit it. So both of them are short off of the easy trading signal right here. These two lines, both of them are short. Gold is still long, and technically the euro US dollar is long, but I don't know if it's going to hold and come back up or continue to go down. But I've been calling short signals on it, and it's come down, but it might go back up again. Like if we can get an offset entry to go long, which one might be coming right here. It goes long at 11,262. And then it would possibly continue to go back up. If, however, it gives a short signal, which it just did, wait a second. Well, it's already given a short signal, but it could be offset to go long. Doesn't look like it's a short signal, I would say. So euro US dollar is shorter. Okay, and these broke not at a good place. Not at a bad place. So should be okay there. Okay, still short on euro US dollar. Still a long signal on gold. And plus we're in a easy trading signal as well. So okay, we're getting close to going to see another easy trading signal or two more lines coming up. Okay, easy trading signal coming up here. This is why you need to use it on the euro here coming down. All right. Here it is for the ES. Here it is for the YM. Here it is for gold. We have to use a different parameter for euro US dollar. Okay, there it is right there. Euro US dollar goes short at 11,114. Wait. 112. 11,112 euro US dollar will go short. Gold will go short at 1470.10. 70.10. What pattern are you referring to? Okay, we have code 2 coming up here on the ES and YM. We have the large trading signal coming up on the ES and YM. Yeah, it's just simply what it's doing the same exact thing over and over again, so it makes it relatively easy, actually. But now we know they're doing it on all of them. They're doing it on the euro. Well, actually, we haven't seen it on gold, but we saw it on CL and then ES and YM. They're doing it on all of them. I haven't seen it on gold though. Okay, gold will go short at 1470 exactly. Yeah, I made a mistake on that first one. It's 1470 exactly. So 70 exactly, gold will go short. 1470. Otherwise, if it doesn't go short, it'll go all the way back up. It'll go long in continuation with this one. But yeah, euro US dollar right at the key, and same thing with everything else. Exactly right at the key. Wasn't doing it on the euro US dollar, it just started. But now we know that it can do it and will do it, does do it. So we're going to have to devise a good plan for that, how to deal with it. Because obviously, well, let me see. Break, no good. Now if you counted for it though, it would be good. And break, and if you accounted for it, it would not have signaled. And then you got a new one. But if you counted for it, it would be good. Yeah, but you know what it really is? It's chop mode. It's still chop mode. So the way to do it, I've already figured this out, the way to do it is to actually use the scalping trading signal on days like today. And don't pay attention to the easy trading signal. There you have it. Then you can nail the trades. Like now we have a short signal on ES, short signal on YM. Okay, hold off. These look like they're going to maybe go offset, or they could. Okay, short signal on gold. Looking for gold to break now. Hit 1470 exactly. It's a short signal. Easy entry. There it is. Short signal on gold. Okay, I think the Y, M, and ES are going to go offset long. Well, maybe not, maybe not. Okay, Euro US dollar is long. Long signal. At 11,164, the euro US dollar will go short offset entry. If it does not hit that price, it's still a long signal. ES and YM are still shorts. Gold is also still a short. We're about to get another signal here. Scalping trade signal. It's pretty choppy right now, but okay, that's a long signal, short signal on the euro US dollar. Short signal ES. Short signal YM. Okay, ES is going to go short off the easy trading signal at 64.50. 64.50. YM goes short at 109. 28,109. Okay, long signal on gold. Now see, it's already gone short, but what you're looking for, well, I mean, there's different ways that you could play it, you know, but I could tell you what the short term is saying. What the scalping is saying. Basically, as a general rule, you're looking for the scalping trades to go in the same direction that you're going. But this trade here overrides the smaller trade. That's what it's for, you know. Okay, euro US dollar going short at 112. Yeah, 112, it goes short. 113. There it is. It's short off the euro US dollar there. Okay, euro US dollar is already short here. Gold is also already short. No signal yet on ES and YM. Let me take a look at them again. You know, yeah, it's my bet that this is going to go up. So what you're looking for is long signal. Well, I mean, you could take everything, you know, but when you get a long signal again, that's good. It's probably going to go up. It's been its pattern lately. You can wait for both of them to break before taking the trade. That'll keep you out of a lot of losers. See the way it's trading though, it's really choppy. Okay, ES is going short at 64.50. The code 2 for the ES and YM is coming up, be the next two lines. The large trading signal is coming up. It'll be the next two lines. Okay, Euro US dollar already short. I'll do the large trading signal from gold. It should be easy to do, and we can start playing. Hopefully, it'll heat up a little bit for us. It sure would be nice. Okay, 64.50 ES goes short, looking for the YM to follow at 109. Yeah, I think I said that wrong before. It'll be 109 it needs to hit. 28,109 to go short. Okay, ES is already short now. Looking for the YM to hit 109. Then it will also be a short signal, worthy of taking the trade, and or on the ES. YM getting close. Almost there. 28,109. Okay, there it is. Short signal, YM. Take either the ES or the YM. Easy trading signal going to be coming up here pretty soon, and I will come back for that. So I'll be right back. Okay, working on the easy trading signal. Okay, there it is for the ES. There it is for the YM. Gold is going long now. Gold just went long. Okay, gold is long, there it is. Okay, and there it is for the Euro US dollar. Alright, let me take a look at this signal here. Yeah, it's a short signal on both the ES and the YM. However, it's doing it right at the wrong place again. This could be a bogus signal right here. Let me see where we are. Chart looks good for it to come down though. But it could be a bogus signal. It might go up. I say we wait a little bit here. I'll be able to get the right parameters so that we can take the right way. Gold hasn't been doing it, so I don't think gold's going to do it. But it sure is looking exactly like it. We can wait here, and I'll be able to tell which way it's going to go. I would say most likely it's going to reverse like it's done. In which case we'll be able to nail the trade. Stand by. Signal coming up. It's a short signal on the Euro US dollar. Long signal ES. Long signal YM. Both are long off the main scalping code. It should, if it keeps with its pattern, it's going to go all the way up and break the top. All the way up and break this top bar, top line. So that's a big trade right there. Okay, watch gold. Gold may do the same thing. It hasn't been doing it today, but it sure does look exactly like it. It's a short signal on gold. And it's a short signal on Euro US dollar. Watch out for it possibly to do it on gold as well, because it looks exactly like it. It's identical. Now I haven't seen it do this yet today, but this could be it right here. What we could do is now, if it breaks this top, so if it hits 72.50, then it's okay. It'll keep going long, keep going up. So with that in mind, let me go ahead and adjust it now. Then you can see it. Now you see it. Now you see it on the ES, and you see it on the YM. Okay, we are still long signal on ES, long signal on YM. If it goes offset, it's going to go offset and short off the easy entry trading system. It will do so if the price hits 60.50 on the ES, it'll go short, and on the YM, 91. If it hits 91, it goes short on both, on each one. Those at that price, it's an offset entry to go short. And okay, the ES or YM is short. ES is also short. Okay, ES hasn't gone short yet. Yeah, it just did. Okay, ES is short. YM is short. It's tricky stuff today. Tricky stuff, but we can do this here. Okay, if the price sits on gold 72.40, it's an offset entry to go long. 72.40. If it goes long like that, it's going to go long off the easy entry trading system as well and go up. 72.40. There it is. Long signal on gold. Now we need the price just to hit 72.50, and it's a long signal off the easy entry. It hit 40, it double topped. By the way, this signal here on ES, this signal here on YM is the large trading signal. So we should be able to get a larger than average trade out of this signal here. So it looks like it should come down quite a bit here on the ES and YM. Okay, we didn't get a signal off the easy, and we got another signal again to go short. This thing is really offset. I wouldn't pay a whole lot of attention to it. Just wait for the signal here off the easy entry. Because what we were looking for is that first signal. It gave a long. We were looking for the easy entry to also get broken, and it didn't, and it just came right back down. But had it broken, that would have been good. You'd have had two signals back to back, and it would have kept on going. Okay, ES and YM are already short signals. Also, this is the large trading signal as well. So, should be good here for quite a few ticks on the YM and ES. I'm not exactly sure how many, but with the way it's moving today, I would say a good 60, if not maybe even 80 ticks off of it. Let's just say between 60 and 100. But I would say right around 60 to 80 is its sweet spot. So 60 to 80 ticks on the ES and YM large trading signal, which is right here. When I said 60 to 80 ticks, I meant, of course, the YM, not the ES. The ES, I would estimate, I would say like 56, 31.56, maybe 55 on the ES. And we're talking like down to 30, 28, 30, possibly 28 on the YM. Something like that. My target would be 28.20 on the YM. Probably about 56 on ES. But if it really starts to move, 55. Okay, we're going to be getting another easy trading signal coming up here very soon. Okay, easy entry signal coming up here. Getting a nice run down here on the ES and YM. Keep in mind this is the large trade on it. It's reached target already. Gold has broken out and gone long. Let me check that. Yeah, we have another signal here coming up. Another signal coming up. It could reverse direction. Gold looks good for going up to me, though. Yeah, gold looks good for going up to me, and it's also given a long signal there, too. Alright, working on the easy entry system here. Okay, there it is for the ES. There it is for the YM. There it is for gold. And there it is for the Euro US dollar. Alright, now we'll see if we'll get a continuation or if we'll get a reversal. Gold going long would be a continuation. ES and YM going short would be a continuation. It hasn't broken one way or another on the Euro US dollar, therefore either way it goes will be a new direction. Well, yeah, since it was neutral here. Or if it goes the opposite direction, goes up, it'll be a reversal instead of a continuation. This is where, when the instruments are really moving, that this particular trading system here, easy trading system works the best, because even though this thing is moving up and down, it'll catch it over and over again and get you going in the right direction. And all you have to do is be willing to hold in between them, and you can really score. Lately, it's been to go for a certain amount of ticks and then get out, even when it's really tight, to scalp them. But when it's really moving big, and it does, it moves big, that's when you can really score with this particular trading system. But you gotta know the difference. When it's not, when it's really tight and choppy, it's, not very good at all, and even just good for scalping. That's why it's important to measure, to see what it's good for. That way you'll see mathematically, by numbers, what it's actually good for. Because you can't really tell by the chart. Chart is very deceiving. Sometimes it looks like it's just moving a little bit, but it's moving a tremendous amount. Sometimes it looks like it's moving really big, but if you actually looked at it and see what the actual amount is, you'll see it's not moving at all. Hardly moving, but it looks like it's moving big. It has to do with an optical illusion between the chart, and how when it moves really big, the chart will zoom out and make it look small, like it just barely moved. But it moved huge if you were to actually look at it. And that's one reason why it looks so small, is because it moved so much. It couldn't show you the whole thing without zooming way out, and you're looking at it at a distorted perspective. That's why you need to measure it. Okay, YM, since this is in a large trading signal, it should continue to go down. So we are looking for short signals here off of this easy trading signal. But it's this one that we're really paying attention to. And it has already made it down to the target, but if it were to go short again, it would go even more. But it made it down to my target of 28. I would have put it at 28.20, so I'd already be out. Okay, Euro is going short at 11,118. 118. $118, and it's been trending down. It could continue to do so. But lately I've been noticing that the euro goes sideways towards the end. Like, let's go look at yesterday. Let's go take a look yesterday. Okay. Alright, well, it did go sideways for a bit, but then it shot way up. So it can still move. It can definitely still move. Alright, let me see here. If that would be the case, I would be looking for a long signal here to come. And that would be a good one to take, I think. A long signal off of this one. So instead of it going down and breaking below, it goes all the way back up, breaks the high. That would be good. If it comes down again, well, wait a second, let me take another look at it. Yeah, that would be good too. That'd be good too. Yeah. Yeah, if it comes down, it's also good. Okay, 118, there it is. It's a short off the euro. Okay, so I think that gold's going to go long here, and it's going to go back up a bit. I think the euro is going to go down. It's going to come back down a bit. That's what I think is going to happen at this point. So we're looking for the signal to happen, and and all three look good for that to happen and for it to do exactly that, to come back down some more. By the way, the euro has gone short. Gold goes long at 74.20. 74.20 on gold. $74.20. Gold goes long. Okay, YM goes short at 002.02. Okay, gold is long. 002 on YM. ES goes short at 53 exactly. 53 exactly. Okay, gold going back up there, looking good here for a nice trade coming back up. Take a bigger look at it. You know, came up, shot all the way down. It's gone sideways for quite a while. Now we're getting an entry here off of these two, and we could get a nice move up here to, go halfway back up or so. So let's say about 82 perhaps, or 80, 80 or 82. What charts am I using? I am using Interactive Brokers trading broker, and then I'm using the TWS charting that they have that comes with it. Basically, it's built into it, comes with it. The old one was like almost like a spreadsheet. Yeah, it was sort of like a spreadsheet. And you just put your stocks on the sides, and you do your orders right here in the middle, and it was unique. I used to like it. It was unique, and but it is old and clunky. Well, not, I wouldn't say clunky, but it's, I don't know. There's many pluses to it. The many of us got very used to that system, and it has a lot of advantages of speed and all kinds of stuff like that. But and setting up orders very quickly and everything. It's like on the fly. But this one's not bad. This is more like a trading software, modeled after the original Realtic software that started it all. Actually, you could say, what was it, TC 2000 or something? That started it all. People getting on the day trading systems set up the day trade. Yeah, Interactive Brokers is good. They're very good. You can trade anything you want around the world. Like if I wanted to trade Indian stocks, I could do so. If I wanted to trade Chinese stocks, I could do so. Japanese stocks, European stocks, Australian stocks, anybody, any index in the world, any currency, everything, bonds, commodities, currencies, anything, everything. Can short a lot of stocks that other brokers can't. That's a big plus. You can convert your currency from one currency to another, all in your account. So if you want to trade, Chinese stocks, you can go get yuan. Let's say you start with dollars, you get it converted to yuan, and now with yuan you trade the Chinese stocks or Hong Kong dollar or whatever, anything. So it allows you to be like a global trader, taking advantage of anything and everything out there, all from one platform. Gives you a lot of power. A lot of power. I mean, just, also you get very good fills. The price is really good. Everything's automated though, so if you need to call in and get a bunch of help all the time, not good. But if you know what you're doing, have experience, or you're ready to learn on your own, you know, you go ask the wizard Google or YouTube or something to find the answer rather than trying to call in. You do great because you'll find the answers, you know. And yeah, they're not geared toward customer service. They're geared to people who know what they're doing. Hedge fund managers, you know, everybody, every professional. You do options, everything. There's basically nothing you can't do. Also, you can place very sophisticated orders. Basically, you can do everything. If you are, you know, managing a whole bunch of money and you want to make it all automated and everything like that, you can. You can do everything. Very complicated system. These people ever do have a problem, they fix it. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the top broker of the whole world, really. And I started with them back in 2002, to my memory. Maybe it was 2001, I'm not sure exactly. I traded them, I used them because I could short OTC BB stocks with them, with it. And that's what the real reason why I started using them. And it was very unique to be able to do that. I mean, nobody else you could do it through. Okay, YM going short at 002, looking for the ES to follow at 53 exactly. Yeah, Interactive Brokers is very, very good. They've been around for a long, long time. They've always were the most professional broker. For instance, I was signed up with everybody at one time or another, and you know, nobody had their level of sophistication. Like way back in 2000 and two, uh, they already had it the sophisticated level where everything, like if you didn't have enough money in your account to day trade with, it would only allow you 3 trades in a 5-day rolling period. So they would know how many trades you've done, and as soon as you've done that many, and you haven't met the 5-day rolling period, you can't make another trade. Rejected. Or if you go below your margin, whatever, they'll liquidate your account automatically. All kinds of stuff like that. I mean, they're very sophisticated where they just, the system is designed to be all automatic. It works very good. And another reason why I use them is because I traded OTC BB stocks back then. And it was always a problem with getting filled on these things, especially quickly. And with Interactive Brokers, who use their smart order routing system, by far the fastest. By far. Nobody else even compete. The only way you could compete is if you could do like a Speed Trader and actually route directly to the market maker and then get it fast enough and the shares are still there. Yeah, if you could do that and the shares are still there, yeah, it's just as fast, let's say. But with IB, you don't even have to bother. You just smart order routing system, boom, hit the sell button, you're out pretty quick. So it really helped with getting filled, really helped. And what really sucks is that now I know it's all just not even real to begin with. I don't even want to think about the implications of that. I keep getting fed the red pill. Do I have the option? Can I take the blue pill? Yeah, and then I just saw that the free market and the aftermarket isn't really trading either. Of course, it doesn't surprise me, but it's just, man, that's just so wrong. Yeah, the biggest scam in the history of man. I would have to agree. I would have to agree. It's like this master of money scam, where you get to issue out all the money to the people of the world. And all they know is they need that money to survive and live. But you get to issue it out to them. And people think, oh, well, money has value. No, money doesn't have any value. It's not supposed to have any value. It's only supposed to represent a value. And that's what people commerce with, is they give, I'll give you 100 oranges, you give me 500 apples. Instead of making a trade like that, you make it with money, which represents a value. Okay, YM going short. It's already gone short on YM. Looking for the ES to go short at 53 exactly. ES also will go short. 53.75. YM is already short, looking for the ES to go short. There it is, short signal on the ES. Okay, we got them both short here. And we got gold going long. They're looking good. They look good chart-wise for coming down some more. And they look good with the signal. Yeah, then you're with this money, since you're able to loan it out to everybody. First of all, you're able to, create it from trees. You take trees and you create money, and then you loan it out to everybody at interest. So not only do you get to loan it out to them, but you get to get them to pay you an interest for it. And then you get to have them work for this money, so they can work for you, because they have to have money in order to survive. Yeah, it's the biggest scam. It seems it's been going on for a long time. Many thousands of years, Many thousands of years they've been pulling this scam. Of course, before, for a long time, people had, farms, and they were merchants, and they could go to different places, and you didn't have all these rules and all this watchdog and cameras everywhere and records and computer and all this stuff. You didn't have it. So, big difference between then and today. Suddenly started messing with the audio. Is it okay now? Oh no, I don't have a code. I don't have a 4. I was just thinking about, I would like to have one. Meaning that it would be like a longer term code, like a weekly code would be great. Monthly code would be even better, but a weekly code would be good. Okay, good. Okay, so another slide down here on ES and YM. I wouldn't expect it to go too far, but yeah, I wouldn't expect it to go too far. Think about the rubber band is pulling back and getting stretched a bit. So maybe 975, maybe 950. It's a realistic target. Getting close to another easy trading signal. Yeah, I'd say about 950 is a good target. For gold, we're looking at, I'd say 1480, maybe 1482. Okay, we have another easy entry coming up here, getting close. Gold, well, it's moving up slowly, but we're going to do an easy entry on it. But chart-wise, it looks good for continuing to go up. And YM did just make it down to my first estimated target of 975. From here, we could use a scalping signal on it. I've got to do the easy trading signal, but might be able to tell you which way the scalping signal is going. Okay, there it is for the ES. There it is for the YM. It's a long signal off the scalping code on the ES, and a long signal on the YM also off the scalping code. A short-term code, short-term signal. Alright, GC, gold. Okay, there is gold. And for Euro US dollar, alright, there it is for the Euro US dollar. Okay, YM goes short at 972. 972. ES goes short at 50 exactly. Gold goes long at 75.40. Okay, 970. Okay, short signal on YM, looking for ES to go short at 50 exactly. Looking for both of them to go short first before taking the trade. Okay, see how, gold looking like it might go short here. It'll go short at 72.30. No signal, it double bottomed. Also, we are at a scalping code here, right now. Main scalping code. Short signal on the Euro US dollar. Long signal YM. Long signal ES. Short signal Euro US dollar. Okay, if they break that line, consider that a trade right there. Also, these signals I'm giving to you are also trades to get in, for them to hold, to see if they go up and break that. But if you don't want to take it, okay, wait for this to get broken then. If it doesn't, it comes all the way back down and breaks here, you can take it short. This is why we have to use the scalping trade signal today, because it's working. It's moving from that. That's why it's continuing to go up when I call the long signal. Okay, to break this line up here is 036 on YM and 59.25 on the ES. Okay, ES coming up on it, 59.25 is a long signal there, and on 036 will be long signal on the YM. But you see how this one here broke, but this one didn't, so you don't take a trade on it. And then it goes back the other way. It's when I called the signal for it to go up. Okay, long signal on ES, long signal on YM. Both of them are long here. Looking for a bounce. Okay, gold's going to go short at 72.30. 72.30 is a short signal on gold. Okay, I'll be back in just a few minutes. Gold will go short at 72.30. Okay, the Euro US dollar also just broke there. And gold heading down a bit. ES and YM went up a little bit there. Getting ready to work on the easy trading system. Or to put it another way, the next two lines. And then afterwards I'm going to be leaving here in, well, about 6 minutes, but probably leave the screen on for an extra 10 or so. Great, Frank, that's really good. 180 ticks. It's a good day. And have a good time at the gym. And I will see you tomorrow. Friday's trading. Okay, Euro US dollar here, doing well. Gold. Trying to come down here. Okay, working on the easy entry. It's going to be my last one for today. Okay, there is the ES. There is the YM. There is gold. And there is the Euro US dollar. Okay, I'm going to have the screens going for let's just say another 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, 15. If it breaks their lines anytime within that time frame, you could at least see it break and see it head in the right direction. If not, then if you want to know the parameters of the numbers, you can ask and I'll tell you. But otherwise, it's going to be the end of the day here for us. Pretty good day today, I would say. Didn't start off good, but then ended good. And here, same thing. Here, same thing. It didn't start off all that good, didn't go up very much, but then it did hit, came down, got choppy there for a bit. Good for a little bit on each one though. And Euro US dollar started off good, and then it was good again. Actually, that one wasn't good right there, but I think I called that one. And then it was good all the way down, and then a little bit more, and then it just went up a little bit, got real choppy there, and then it's been on a slow trajectory down here. Looking to continue with this short signal coming up, which will come up at 11:079. By the way, gold will go long if the price hits 74.30. YM will go long if the price hits 053.53. ES will go long if the price hits 61.25. Euro US dollar going short here almost. It looks like it's going to be a good move down to me by its action. It could move pretty good here. 11.079 is short signal. 079. Let's take a look at a bigger picture. Yeah, it's been heading down. There it is, short signal on the euro. Okay, ES 61.25. It hit 61. It's got to hit 61.25. YM goes at 53. It's already hit 55. So it's already long on the YM. Looking to go long on the ES at 61.25. Still only hit 61. 61.25 is a long signal. YM is already long. They both go long. It's good to take.